All right, welcome again, Military Guna TV. So this is Arteta's predicted lineup versus my predicted lineup. So my predicted lineup was Matt Ryan in goal, Cedric Suarez at right back, Gabriel and Hole in centre back pairing, and Quarantine at the left back position, Thomas Partey and Granit Xhaka in the midfield area, and in front we have Pepe, Saka, and Smith Rowe, and Lacazette and no, my predicted lineup, sorry, was Pepe was Saka on the right, or Odegaard in the central attacking midfield area, and Pepe on the left with pierre-emerick Aubameyang up front. Trying to give the likes of Smith Rowe some rest, but Smith Rowe and Lacazette some rest, but Mikel Arteta went wayward to that. What we're seeing now is Mikel Arteta going forward again with the same team. Maybe it's a case in which he is trying to maintain the winning formula. So you have Matt Ryan in goal, as I predicted, but guess what? No Quarantine again. No Quarantine again. So we have Hector Bellerin at right back, Gabriel and Hole in centre back pairing, and Cedric Suarez at left back. He has been playing good at left back position, so we cannot too complain about that. Midfield double pivot, Granit Xhaka and Thomas Partey, and in front of them you have Saka, Smith Rowe, and Nicolas Pepe with Alexander Lacazette up front. So Aubameyang on the bench again. That is a strong decision made by Mikel Arteta, and definitely I love the fact that he has the ability to make such a solid decision. So that's my prediction versus Mikel Arteta prediction, and Arteta really stung many of us on this one, really and truly, because a lot of us would think that pierre-emerick Aubameyang would start, but guess what? Let's see how this match pans out, and from this I'm predicting a going for a 2-1 Arsenal. Guess what? Military Guna TV. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.